Hi everyone, Kate from Approveit here, and today I would like to help you make sure that when you install Approveit into your Slack's workspace, all your teammates could see it. Normally, we cannot communicate with anyone on your team without your explicit consent. That has to do with Slack privacy regulations. So what can we do to notify your teammates about Approveit? When creating a workflow, communication channel selected Slack here, after configuring all the data, we click Next, Complete Setup, and right here we are on the screen that will allow you to notify your teammates about a newly created workflow. If your teammates haven't had any contact with Approveit prior to this, they will get a notification in their Slack workspace from Approveit bot, and the Approveit bot will automatically appear in their app section in Slack. So you just click selected users here. Or if you want all your teammates to be notified, then just select all. Click Notify. You will get a warning. We won't notify anybody right now. And complete your setup. This way, everyone on your team who you have selected to notify will see Approveit bot and get notification about a newly created workflow that they can use. If you have any questions left, please reach out to me via email support@approveit.today or in the in-app support chat. Thank you.